Hello, teacher. I'll talk about um, quarantine software development. Everything is remote these days. Digital technology has shown that certain day-to-day activities can be performed, even with the same efficiency from the comfort of the home. Others are impossible to replace, such as the most essential medical service, the supply chain on inputs, the maintenance of electricity, and other basic service. The quarantine will mark a turning point in the way technology fits into our life. An article in the Mere Technology Review state that in the medium term we will regain the ability to safely social with the development of more sophisticated ways to identify who is at risk and who is not. Psychology, Shelley Taylor stated in a text published by El País that social relationships will take some time to rebuild after confinement, and that virtual tools could serve and substitute. During the quarantine, many people are forced to suspend the work and such high closing down business, cutting back of staff and reducing transport. But in the software development industry, style works normality. You just need to have a comfortable place and home and good internet connection. Nowadays, referral tools are used normality in the software development industry like GitHub, Adobe XD, Bootstrap, and the other frameworks. These tools allow you work together with other software development developers on an application in which each person in development teams has a copy of the application, doing each part they correspond to them, and when they have finished a part of the application, they upload they change with arming the other developer. As these are also platforms to be able to switch layer activities for a whole month to make better uh, management based on the development and avoid frustration from people. Some of these platforms uh, are Slack and Asana, in with one as director of technology. Most now the external that will take the development of the software, as sometimes it's not enough to reach an agreed based on design or who the development will do. Down there are also programs to make video conference such as Google Meet, Cisco WebEx meeting, Zoom, and the others. All these tools in which the development of software does not stop, but if their customer affecting the production sector and service. For in the company, each career takes a step develop new marketing strategies, personalized service, and of course, having maintained to the software by the demand users connect. Then it's understood the development of the software uh, does not stop if it not keep firm to that the client different. We know that for meeting and the other characteristic related during the quarantine, it will do that client come to service and products in great quantity, because from while the quarantine is filling them with propagandas or doing a need, for example, mouse in the person of the when the quarantine finish, they must go here what the company was being offering for a long time. And all this report is compiled in the hands of the director of that area to make video conference with the director of the department to address uses in which it could be changed or maintained. For example, technology director. I I had conference with the developers and they told me that it would be better to change design of the view by lowering, no? Director, design director. I was at the general meeting and the technology director says to improve the view by learning. This will be done in a video conference with their respective teams. It should be noted and maintained order as soon as the conference and improve it does not take long to get better results. With this, I can conclude that the pandemic put us in quarantine and perhaps for other organizations it was not also them but other management to adapt to situation that that is happening. I mentioned this because many companies did not know how to work at a distance, much less to have a plans against contingencies. This impeded the advance of the implementation of new technology in their organization, choosing and continue using the will be hybrid why so much presential of the online form is possible to emphasize that the development of software already was prepared for all type of events as they are in back of information and the form to work at distance.